everyone, friends. Welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show you what to do if there's no internet on Windows 11. First, go to search and type internet. Go to internet connection. Here's my active one, my internet. Hamachi's on too. I'll turn it off. There, this internet is active for me. I'm turning it off, waiting a few seconds, then turning it back on. This reboots our internet adapter. If that doesn't work, right-click and select Properties. Check IPv4 and ensure it's set to automatic. If automatic doesn't work, type 8.8.8.8 and click OK. If that fails, search for Network Reset to reset internet settings. Find Network and Internet, then click Reset Now. This resets all internet settings, fixing software issues. After this, if you still lack internet, check your router, cable, or PC's internet output. This has been Weller. Goodbye, everyone.